Hey there, pizza lovers. Welcome back to the channel, or if it's your first time here, get ready to get hungry, because today we're diving into something truly delicious, something that brings people together, something that's cheesy, saucy, crusty in all the right ways. That's right, pizza. We're going to uncover the whole story, where it came from, how it traveled around the world, why everyone seems to love it, and how you can start making amazing pizza at home, even if you've never touched a rolling pin in your life. So grab a slice, or maybe the whole pie, because this is the ultimate pizza story, from ancient flatbread to home oven glory. Let's go. The surprising history of pizza. All right, let's rewind. Way back, before cheese, before tomato sauce, before delivery apps, pizza, or at least something like it, has been around for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians, Persians, and Greeks all had their own versions of flatbreads. They'd bake them over fire or even on the backs of shields. And they'd top them with simple stuff, herbs, onions, even dates. Wild, right? The Romans? They had a dish called panis focaccius. Sound familiar? It's what we now call focaccia, and it's a direct ancestor of pizza crust. But the real magic happened in one place. Naples, Italy. Naples, the birthplace of modern pizza. Picture this. It's the 1700s in Naples, a busy port city, crowded, noisy, full of workers and sailors. People need fast, cheap, tasty food. And boom, pizza steps in to save the day. Local bakers start selling flatbreads topped with whatever they can find. Tomatoes, lard, garlic, anchovies, and eventually cheese. And here's something crazy. Tomatoes were actually new to Europe. They came from the Americas, and for a long time, people thought they were poisonous. But the folks in Naples said, let's give it a shot. And thank goodness they did. Fast forward to 1889. King Umberto and Queen Margherita visit Naples. A pizzaiolo, that's a pizza chef, named Raffaele Esposito, makes her a pizza with the colors of the Italian flag. Red tomatoes, white mozzarella, green basil. He calls it Pizza Margherita, and the rest is delicious history. How pizza took over the world. So how did pizza go from the streets of Naples to nearly every country on earth? Immigrants and war. Italian immigrants brought pizza to cities like New York, Chicago, and Buenos Aires in the late 1800s. At first, it stayed within Italian neighborhoods. But then, after World War II, American soldiers who'd eaten pizza in Italy came back home, saying, hey, where can I get that amazing stuff again? And boom, pizzerias started popping up. In 1958, the first Pizza Hut opened. In 1960, Domino's arrived. And by the 70s, pizza had gone mainstream. From frozen supermarket pizzas to high-end pizza restaurants. From Tokyo to Toronto, Cape Town to Cairo, pizza went global. Why we all love pizza? Okay, let's be real for a second. Why do people love pizza so much? I mean, what's the secret sauce? Well, first, it's customizable. You like mushrooms? Great. Hate olives? Leave them off. Second, it's shareable. A big round pie, cut into slices. Perfect for families, parties, or just you and Netflix. Third, it smells amazing. That combo of bacon crust, melty cheese, and herbs? Come on. And finally, it's just plain comforting. No matter your mood, pizza feels like a warm hug from your taste buds. Isn't that beautiful? The homemade pizza boom. Here's where things get exciting. More and more people today aren't just ordering pizza. They're making it at home. During the pandemic, homemade pizza became a global trend. Why? You control the ingredients. It's cheaper, it's fun, and nothing, I mean nothing, beats the smell of fresh pizza in your own oven. Even better, you don't need fancy tools or years of experience. Let's break it down. Basic ingredients you'll need. All right, here's what you need to make classic pizza dough. Grab a pen, or just pause and screenshot. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix knead, let rise. That's it. For sauce, crushed tomatoes, garlic, oregano, basil, and olive oil. And cheese? Good old mozzarella is your best friend. Is it really easy? Honestly, yes. If you can mix flour and water, you can make pizza dough. No need to toss in the air like a pro. Just stretch it gently, top it with love, and bake it in a hot oven. The key skills? Patience, a little practice, and lots of passion. Homemade versus store-bought. Let's talk cost. One homemade pizza might cost you around $3 to $4, including toppings. A frozen pizza? Maybe $7 to $10. Delivery? $15 to $1.25, not counting tips. So yeah, homemade saves you money. Plus, you can make it exactly the way you want. Wrench Chapter 9. Tools you'll need. Here's your starter kit. A big mixing bowl, a rolling pin, a baking tray or pizza stone, an oven that gets nice and hot, and a pizza cutter or big knife. Optional but fun. A pizza peel, that wooden paddle thing, a stand mixer, and maybe a pizza steel if you're getting fancy. Temperature tips. Pizza loves it hot. Crank your oven to the max, usually around 475 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 250 degrees Celsius. Use a preheated pizza stone or steel if you've got one. And don't open the door too much. You want to keep that heat in. Bake time? Around 8 to 12 minutes. Crust styles you'll love. Crust is personal. Let's explore your options. Thin crust, classic New York style. Crispy, foldable. Thick crust, chewy, like pan pizza or focaccia. Deep dish like a lasagna in a crust. Hello, Chicago. Stuffed crust. Cheese in the crust? Yes, please. Gluten-free or cauliflower crust. Great for special diets. Find your crust soulmate. Say cheese. The best pizza cheeses. You already know mozzarella. But don't stop there. Try provolone for a sharp, stretchy melt. Parmesan sprinkled on top. Cheddar for a flavor twist. Ricotta for creamy dollops. Goat cheese if you're feeling fancy. Or vegan cheese. Plant-based, planet-approved. Cheese is like music. Blend it your way. Pizza around the world. Let's take a world tour. In Japan, they put corn and mayo on pizza. In Brazil, it's peas and hard-boiled eggs. In India, it's paneer and spicy masala. In Sweden, get this, banana and curry. And in South Korea, sweet potato crust is a hit. Pizza is the most adaptable food on earth. It's like a flavor passport. Final tips to make pizza like a pro. Before we wrap up, let me share some bonus tips. Let your dough rest. It makes it airy and delicious. Don't overload with toppings. It'll get soggy. Bake hot, fast, and high. Let your pizza rest after baking for 2 minutes. And most importantly, have fun. Pizza isn't just food. It's joy. It's sharing. It's creativity. It's you on a plate. So there you have it. From ancient shields to pizza stones. From poor Italian fishermen to royal palaces. From Italy to your own kitchen. Pizza is more than a meal. It's a worldwide obsession and a delicious way to bring people together. If this video made you hungry, go grab that flour and make your own pie. You've got everything you need now. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with more mouth-watering stories. Stay cheesy, friends. And remember, life's too short for bad pizza.